Candy. Can you say welcome to the vlog? Yeah? Welcome to the vlog. Such sweet girls. Candy is my sister's cat. River is my Cinnamon. Brother's cat. My cat's Cinnamon, but I don't see him anywhere. And Mr. Pond, my mom's cat, is chilling out on top of my car. There he is. Sorry I'm so shaky. I haven't had coffee this morning. That's what we're gonna go do with my brother. Maybe. My sister, my dad, definitely. Nice, sweet girl. Look at her. So, we have 4 cats. All of them are outdoor cats. They used to be indoor cats. However, so Candy and Cinnamon we had before my brother was born. And Mr. Pond and River, who are also brother and sister, we had after he was born. And here's Cinnamon. If you go to any of my social medias, you will definitely know who this is. This is my cat. I love him dearly. And I can talk about him so much. He's had so many events in his life. He's 9 years old. I've had him since I was 10. But yeah, they're all outdoor cats now. When I move, Cinnamon's probably going to become an indoor cat again. But they're all outdoor cats right now because my younger brother, who is 6'5", around that age, he's allergic to cats. So they had to move outside, but we do put them away in our garage that has a heater in it. And on occasion, because I have really bad anxiety and Cinnamon has grown over the next 9 years, so I was developing my anxiety with me. He's really good at helping calm me down. All of them are really great grounders. So, you know, they get to come in on occasion when I have really bad days or I'm sick or something like that. And they're all super sweet and super loving and I love them. So, yeah. I figured a quick introduction to the cats would be a great way to start off this morning vlog. This is Mommy. She's working on her projects for her business and all her social medias. And she's got her cute little plant binder, which you guys should totally check out her TikTok because she's just amazing and I love her. But she's staying here while we're getting coffee. So I figured I'd get...
What?
Yeah,
You're going without me?
Yeah,
are you coming?
Because after we gotta go to my job.
Ow. I thought you were coming for a minute. Aw. But yeah, she's staying here and working on stuff because she's a hustling woman. Trying to get that money. I love her, so I figured I'd give her her cameo for the day. Say hi to the vlog, Mom.
We're gonna plug
Stop,
the video.
no photos. I'm a very famous person.
This is my dad. He helped create me.
Slight contributor.
This is my CC, Miss Plant PC. Go check out her YouTube channel because,
Don't do that.
you know, she's awesome and she does cool things.
She did not contribute.
Yeah, we just related a little bit.
Yeah.
And we are currently waiting for a coffee. We brought our own cups so we all have our own lids.
Look at the crow up there. He walks fancy. That's how I want to walk. Yeah. He goes.
So we're getting coffee. This guy, he likes like 6 or 8 shots of espresso and sugar-free vanilla and sugar-free caramel. For clarification, sugar-free caramel and sugar-free vanilla. Because I messed that up for his life. I messed up his life when I started working here a long time ago, and now I don't work here and it's still messed up and he's kind of upset about it. So that's his coffee order. Remember it. Important. We are currently at Durango Joe's for coffee. This is where we get coffee on the weekends or whenever we need coffee. For him, it's every day. Tell him what you got.
They're gonna mix the honey.
They didn't mix the honey,
Oh, I'm sorry.
so you got a mouthful of
Just
honey.
got globbed full of honey. Oh, it's pomegranate green tea.
With honey.
It's so sweet.
Yeah. The musical by Jada.
Musical. Not
Yeah.
even
So I'll
word in
show
five.
you guys the drinks when we get it. I'm just zooming in on Dad all the time because I like him and he helped create me and I think it's funny.
Continuations too.
Yeah. I'll show you guys all our drinks when we get them, but Jada's cup is so cute for plant.
It's a Libra.
Yeah, I like her cup because I got it for her.
It has a scratch across it and it's like losing paint. That's why you can't wash it, I guess. It's like a cup that's allergic to water. It's really sad.
Okay. I got my fidget, so.
Copyright, my dude.
Yeah, you're right. I'll show you guys when we get in the car. This is his coffee. I got a almond milk chai with lavender.
Could have become you, Dad.
So I figured I'd show you what we got at the store. We went to Walmart and we got some garlic bread that needs to be cooked. We got some meatballs. And then at home we already had our sauce and our spaghetti. This is gluten-free spaghetti. I got a strainer out and then I got all my pots and pans on the stovetop. So I figured we could just do a little cooking dinner together. So I'm going to start off with the meatballs. So we're gonna go ahead and read the instructions and prep the oven. And then, oops, there it is. So now it's gonna preheat. And while that's preheating, we're gonna let this sit out. And we're gonna go ahead and get the water for the spaghetti and start on the sauce. Here we have all the seasonings that I like to add to my sauce. Normally I do add minced onion, but however we're out of that today, so I think we're gonna skip it. And over here we have our little basil plant, so I'm gonna add some fresh basil along with the domestic dried basil. I have the water on the stove top. We're waiting for this to boil so we can add these noodles. I will say cooking gluten-free noodles is definitely a lot harder in my opinion than normal noodles. So for these I definitely suggest following the instructions. These are, this is the brand that we get. We found them at Walmart. So yeah, that's where I got my gluten-free ones. Over here I have the oil starting to heat up so I can add all those seasonings I just showed you. And right here I have a little pan that's going to go on here after our sauce is done, so I can heat up some almonds because I personally like almonds on my spaghetti. Don't hate it till you try it, because roasted almonds on your spaghetti adds a little bit of crunch. It's super nice. I love it personally. So now that I have all my stuff over here, I'm gonna go ahead and put the meatballs on a tray. Okay, so we got the seasonings in. I kind of eyeball it. My biggest tip for adding seasonings is smell them before you add them into whatever you're cooking, and it'll kind of give you an idea of how much you want to add or how little. Now that we have the meatballs on a tray, we're gonna go ahead and place them in the oven because the oven is now ready. So we just open it, grab the meatballs, and slide them on in. And we're gonna go ahead and set the time. Okay, so I just added that sauce that I showed you that was over here a little bit ago. And now I'm going to mix the sauce with the seasoning. And sometimes if I don't have meatballs, I'll add sausage in here just so you can get little meat. And that's that, the seasoning, and we just wait for it to get a little I just wait until the sauce starts looking like it's breathing, and then I stir it a little more, put a lid on, and push it to the side over here. That way it can stay warm And then we're going to move this little pan up to do our almonds. And as for the almonds, I have them over here. Today I'm using whole raw almonds by Good and Gathered. I also like to use like the sliced almond pieces. But today we're going to use the whole ones because that's all I have at the moment. And so basically for the almonds, you're just going to grab a little bit or as many as you want. Because I know I'm the only one who eats the almonds in my spaghetti. I'll oil the pan a little bit with like some Pam or something. And then I'll just cook it for a little while. And the almonds surprisingly cook really well, really fast. And our meatballs are currently in the oven and we're just waiting for our water to boil. I'm going to go ahead and put a lid on this so hopefully it'll go a little faster. Then we're going to do the spaghetti. As soon as the meatballs are done, we're going to go ahead and place in the garlic bread. And for the garlic bread, all our heating instructions and how to do it is in the bag. So then we'll go ahead and do these two and then dinner will be done. And there's the finished product. Here's our sunset. The light's buzzing. But this is a sunset for today. It's super cute. I love it. I do think that's going to be the end of this vlog. I hope you guys liked it. Bye-bye. Be safe, everyone. Love you guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Okay, bye.